Good morning. Thought I'd let you know how it's coming. Here's my friend Big Al. He's all done. Got them all put back together. We got all new hardware there. All the bolts are new. This looks a little bit better. And well, he's not done. Them two holes there, that'd be where the grab handle goes, and I forgot to paint them. So I got to paint those this afternoon, and so we can get them on there tomorrow. But this tractor's going home today to the people who own it. And thought I'd let you see how she turned out, see how she looks. This is PPG concept paint, first time I've shot this. And it turned out pretty good. It'll work. It's a tractor. So we'll see it in parades this summer, I hope. We have parades again. That's what the purpose of this is. And thought I'd give you a view, and guess we'll move on to another project. Allis Chalmers D21, painted, done. Have a nice day.